The Gen Xers entered the workplace being managed by the boomers. The boomers said, welcome to the workplace. Every Monday morning at 8 o'clock, we'll have a team meeting. It's important that everybody knows what page everybody is on. So please be prepared to come to the team meeting and be prepared to say something. And these team meetings went on for 20 years, and everybody felt like they had to say something in the meeting. Whether it was important or not, everybody's got to get a word in. The Xers then get moved into management and leadership positions. And they go to their teammates and say, you guys are going to love it. I'm now the boss, and the first decision I'm going to make is we're eliminating the weekly meetings. And what's happening, if I'm talking to anybody here, if I'm talking to your soul in this room, what's happening is the boomers and the millennials who work for this Xer are really struggling with this leadership style. Because the boomers need this consensus building. Team is very important, and even more important is being able to engage and connect with a regular basis with this team. And I go into these workplaces and I speak to these people. Hey, baby boomer, I'm called into the workplaces. Boomer, what's going on with the team? And it takes about 4 questions to get to the heart of the problem. What's wrong with the team? The team is great, love it here. What's wrong with the team? All teams struggle. What's wrong with the team? Well, it'll get better. What's wrong with the team? I don't know what page anybody is on around here anymore. I don't know. We hadn't had a meeting in forever. I just don't know what's going on around here. I go to the millennial, same thing, 4 questions. Final question, my boss never comes in and checks on me. He never asks me how I'm doing. I don't think he really likes me. He never asks me how I'm doing. So I go to the Xer. All right, I got some feedback. I'm not going to tell you who said what, but I got some feedback. I want to start with this. I got some feedback that says, you maybe don't care about some of your people. Do you care about your people? And he says, no, we just work together. I don't care about any of them. We just work together. If I cared about them, they'd start telling me about their weekend. Oh my gosh, I don't care about their weekends. And that kind of obligates me to talk about mine. And I don't want to talk to them about my weekend. We leave each other alone here. That's what a good workplace is like. We leave each other alone. But the team begins to dissolve with that Generation X manager because the boomers aren't getting what they need. The millennials aren't getting what they need. The team enthusiasm, the team performance begins to dwindle away, and then the turnover begins to happen. And here's your prescription. You must be visible. You must be seen. You must become interested in your team. You must reaffirm. Reaffirm people. Tell them what a good job they've done. You must offer praise and encouragement, and you must build consensus. These are the recipes for your success.